What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now we have moved on. Now we're on Z Fold 7 or Z Fold 7, whatever way you want to say it. That's how you should say it. Got mine in Blue Shadow, which is an amazing colour, by the way. I mean, absolutely stunning in every light, but unfortunately you're going to want to protect it. So Spigen have brought out this, the Airskin Aramid. Now I do have a few issues with this case already before we even come off the bat. Now I wish they would have went with this style case, the Enzo Aramid, because of one thing: it has MagSafe, and of course it's an Aramid fibre case. This one was an exclusive for the S25 Ultra. You could only buy this through Samsung, so it was on Samsung's website, it was on Samsung's Amazon store. That's the only way you could buy this case. I think they're going to do that going forward for every S series iteration from Spigen as like a sort of collaboration type thing. But this one right here is the Aramid case, but it hasn't got MagSafe on it. Now I wish they would have added MagSafe. I know you can add your own ring to the back of it, but I just think it ruins the style of the case then. Z Fold 7, Samsung Galaxy, Airskin Aramid. Let's just jump straight into it. So you get your two pieces. So you get your front piece like so, and you get the back piece right here, and it comes with extra attachments to go on the top and the sides of the case. So it says how to remove it, use the adhesive strips and the installation. So there we go. So one adhesive strip down the side right here, which is going to go on the back. Looks really nice. I mean, that is the Aramid case. Looks really good with the silver ring. I mean, it is. It's probably, they could have got away with it. It's not far off. It's really not far off. But again, they could have put that MagSafe ring on it. I know they've put it on a couple of the cases for the Z Fold 7, and we are getting them cases in. So make sure you stay tuned, get subscribed now for that. But this is the Aramid case, and I don't know, part of me wishes they would have, you know, made it for the Z Fold. So let's go ahead and let's just slap it on the phone and see how we get on. The front piece, obviously you will take off the bit so that it sticks onto the phone. I am not going to do that because I'm literally going to go through a ton of cases for this phone in the next couple of days, so make sure you stay tuned. But there we go. So that's what it's going to look like from the back. As you can see with the camera rings, they are nice and protected inside that housing, so you can go ahead and place it down like so and not have to worry. But of course you got a lip running all the way around the screen now, so you can place it down on its face and not have to worry about it either. And then of course when you open up the phone, that's what you're going to be looking at. So you get your front piece right here that runs all the way around the front, and then you got your back piece. Now most of the Aramid fibre cases, I will say that for Spigen, most of the Aramid fibre cases I've seen up to now for this phone only come with the back piece. So this one comes with the front piece as well. You see a hinge right there, so that's not protected at all. Some of them are offering hinge protection. Not really for me really, but there it is, the Aramid case. And it's just unfortunate. I wish they would have just added, you know, MagSafe onto there. It would have made it. I mean, it feels like it's got like magnets in it. You can feel like it's wanting to grip on, but it just doesn't have MagSafe, unfortunately. But it is suitable for wireless chargers, so you can obviously, like if I got the Nomad base stand right here and we lay it on, you have to lay it on a certain way. As you can see, it's charging, but it will not pick up the Nomad base stand, but it will charge as long as you get it in the right area on the back of the phone right here, just underneath the camera. As long as you get it in that area. That's the problem with this phone. You see, it can only be a circled charger. It can't be a flat one because it won't charge because of this, so it won't sit flush. That's the issue right there. So that's an issue for wireless charging with this phone anyway, because of the camera humps on the back. That's a bit of an issue, but as long as you got a circle one, it will charge. But make sure you get it in the right place, otherwise it won't charge overnight and you'll end up with an issue the following day. The Aramid case. Let's just do some weighing, just so you guys know what you're getting into. So let's see, with the phone in, comes in at 252, and it doesn't feel like you've got much of a case on there, to be honest. So if we take it off, and we lay it on. I mean, the front piece is 3 grams on its own, and then if we lay that on there, so we're looking at 25 grams for both front and back piece. So not too bad at all. I mean, it works out quite nice. It's quite easy to get off too. Fits in quite nice, just goes on, and of course, as I say, you will take all this sticky stuff off the case so that it fits on perfect. I mean, it does fit on flush right now. I've got no issues with it sliding off, and I've still got the sticky protectors on, but I would take them off if I was using it full time. But as I say, because I'm going to be showing you guys a number of cases suitable for this phone, I unfortunately have to keep them on just for now until I decide what case I want to rock. That is the Enzo Aramid case. Looks good. As you can see, you got cutouts on the bottom right there. Your speaker, your charge port, your mics. Cutouts on the top again, speaker and your mics. Cutout on this side right here because your fingerprint sensor on this side and your volume rocker. And then your hinge, of course, is out as well. That is the Spigen Airskin Aramid. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Is that something you would consider going for your Z Fold, Z Fold 7? I'm just going to call it a Z Fold 7 because it just comes out that way, unfortunately. I'm not American, but it does just come out that way. But we'll see what comes out now over the next couple of weeks or whatever, and we'll see what happens. But don't forget, there'll be a full Spigen lineup coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. And I know what you're going to say, not everyone wants a MagSafe case. Well, I do. And if you're coming from an iPhone, if you're moving across from an iPhone to something like this, and you got a lot of MagSafe accessories, then you definitely want a MagSafe case.